Hello everyone, today we learn how to install Facebook on Android. So when the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumb up. So now we go to my phone. So now we are on the Android screen and we want to install Facebook. So how we can install Facebook? You have to go in the Play Store and search for Facebook. Now, in the first row, we saw an ad from TikTok, and in the second row, we saw Facebook. And on the right side, you see a button where we can install Facebook. So please press the button to install. And now you can see Facebook is installing on the Android. So we have a little bit to wait. And now Facebook is installed on our phone. And now we can open it. So when the video was helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and leave me a like and a comment. So now you see Facebook is already installed and we can open it on the button here, and then we logged in to Facebook. Also, you can open Facebook from your home screen like here.